top 3 mistakes to avoid when outsourcing software services. Outsourcing software services has become a popular option for businesses looking to save time and money, but it's important to avoid common mistakes that can lead to project delays, quality issues, and miscommunications. Mistake 1. Not doing your due diligence when choosing an outsourced team. Research online reviews, ask for referrals, and check out their portfolio to ensure they have the expertise and experience necessary to complete your project. Mistake 2. Not establishing clear goals and expectations from the beginning. Make sure you define project goals, timelines, and deliverables in detail before the project begins. Establish a communication plan to ensure both teams are aligned and on the same page throughout the development process. Mistake 3. Not effectively managing the outsourced team. While outsourcing software services can save you time and money, it's important to ensure that the outsourced team is managed effectively. Establish a regular check-in schedule to track progress, provide feedback, and ensure that the project is on track. Make sure that the outsourced team feels like a part of your in-house team, and encourage open communication and collaboration. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a successful outsourcing experience that leads to high-quality software services delivered on time and within budget. Don't rush the process and take the time to do your due diligence to find the right team. Establish clear goals and expectations, and manage the outsourced team effectively. For more such information, subscribe to our channel.